Hello everyone! In this video, we will explain the registration process for Jammu and Kashmir Bank in the Marg ERP software, through which you can manage all your online banking tasks directly from Marg ERP software. We will also show you how to make payments through J&K Bank in the Marg software. So, let's see the J&K Bank registration process. For this, go to the Digital to Registration to Connected Banking. Then select Jammu and Kashmir Bank and click on Go. So in this way, Admin Detail window will open. Here, you will enter the contact person's name, registered email and mobile number, which is registered with Marg. Then click on Authenticate. After that, select where you want to receive the OTP, on your mobile, email or both. So, we will select Mobile and click on Send, and then enter the OTP received here to verify it. After that, click on Save and Register. Then Jammu and Kashmir registration window will open. The bank will be selected automatically. Then if you have to enter an account number in the ledger, it will appear here. If not, you need to enter your bank account number manually. The corporate ID will autofill. Now, click OK, and you will receive an alert saying, "Are you sure you want to continue J&K registration?" Click Yes. Then User Reference ID will autofill. Then enter the customer ID and select Others under Client Type. Then Save. Your bank details will be saved successfully. Click OK. You'll receive an OTP on your registered number, which you need to enter here and verify. After that, you'll see an alert that says J&K Bank registration has been successfully completed. After this, let's see how to make payments through J&K Bank. Now, after registration, go to Digital to Connected Banking and select Payment. Then create a voucher. Here in the debit side, select the party you want to pay. Then enter the amount, and in the credit side, select J&K Bank. So in this way, online fund transfer window will open. Here, you will see the bank details. Then you can see the party you are making the payment to here. Now, verify the details here and enter Remarks. And click Make Payment. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number. It will display that the payment is successful. After this, press the Tab key to save the voucher. So, in this way, by registering J&K Bank in Marg software, you can perform all online banking related activities directly from the software. Thanks for watching.